Today, we're diving into a huge challenge: quality by design for biologic medicines.
So, how do you actually guarantee quality in the world's most complex drugs? It's all about a massive shift in thinking, from testing for quality to designing it in. The great Dr. Joseph Juran nailed it. Most quality problems, they actually start with the design.
And that mindset is the heart of quality by design, a systematic, science-first approach.
The goals are huge: better quality, less variability, and way more efficient manufacturing. So how's it done? The framework has 4 key steps, and it all starts with the end goal. First, you define exactly what the drug needs to be and do for the patient. From there, you figure out the product's essential must-have properties. These are your CQAs.
Now, you start to work backward. What are the critical attributes of your raw materials?
And what about the process itself? Think temperature, pressure, all those critical parameters. Okay, here's the magic. You have to scientifically link all those inputs to the final quality. When you do that, you create what's called a design space. It's your proven safety zone for quality. The real power here? This space gives you flexibility to improve without jumping through new regulatory hoops. Sounds great, right? But by 2013, Zero Biologics had a full QBD filing. So what gives?
Well, it's because biologics are a whole different ballgame. They come from living things. They're just so complex.
The real problem is that living cells are just naturally unpredictable. You just can't escape it.
And that variability creates a ton of hurdles, from the science itself to fuzzy regulations.
So what's the path forward? You start small. Focus on processes where there's less variability. Look, it's a huge challenge, but it's not impossible. I mean, social sciences study humans. Which leaves us with one final thought. Is the real barrier the science or our own mindset?